Be 2 weeks ready. Water Plan, Activity 18. Follow along on Toolkit, page 73.
Activity 18. Learn how to distill water. Step 1. Gather a pot, lid, and bowl. Fill a pot halfway with water. Place a heat-resistant bowl on top of the water. Put the pot's lid upside down on top of the pot. Putting the lid upside down allows for the water to drip directly into the bowl. Step 2. Boil. Boil the water for 20 minutes. The water that drips from the lid into the bowl is distilled. Step 3. Safely store. Like other clean water, distilled water should be safely stored. See Activity 14.